Hi, I'm Andy and welcome to C# Puzzles. I'm going to give you 3 puzzles every week. I hope to stop this whole tutorial hell stuff you're going through, where you're just following along on YouTube typing but not really learning. So I'm going to give you some puzzles to do and you're going to have to think your way through it. There's going to be existing code because in a real developer job it's unlikely you'll be there in day one with just a blank canvas in front of you. You're probably going to go into an existing application where there's lots of existing code, thousands of lines. So I'm going to give you an example before each puzzle, and you're going to have to read the example, and the puzzle will be similar to the example, just maybe a bit tougher. But that example gets you reading existing code. You have to read my code, not code you've already written yourself. So it's a good way to keep thinking. I've also got another channel, Python Puzzles, where I do the same puzzles I do here, but in Python. So everything you learn in C# you can learn the Python way of doing it. It's a good way to learn 2 languages. Yeah, anyway, let's get cracking. I hope this is going to be a fun experience.